Today we're looking at a knife that it's a bit of departure from your typical pocket carry, and that's the CJRB Tundra. Now, right off the bat, you can see this thing is a big, chubby knife. It's got a huge, comfortable handle. Because of its size, I would recommend not carrying it as a typical EDC, but rather as a serious outdoor tool. It's perfect as dedicated camping knife or just a good knife to carry in your vehicle for emergencies or tough jobs. This thing is built like a tank. With this beast, you know it's not going to break. The handle is tough G10 and you've got a massive 3.78-inch D2 steel blade. D2 is a semi-stainless Workhorse steel that loves hard use. Even though it's big, its size and blade geometry makes it really versatile. That big belly and the strong point mean it can handle everything from feathering some wood to food preparation. It's a workhorse, not a slicer, but it gets the job done. So, if you need a dependable, tough folder for outdoors, something you can beat on without wearing, the CJRB Tundra is a fantastic, affordable option. It's the big folder you keep ready for when the job requires some serious muscle. You gotta check it out.